It is time for a message from the future. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to a new message from the future. So in today's video, this is a message I can't explain anymore. Wow. You know, Pandora box, Pandora key, it's a one big messed up situation at the moment. I'm trying to figure out what version do we have, what are we going to get, and I must say some of the boards are more of the same if it comes to the games, the features, etc, etc. But now, in this video, I'm going to talk about the new Pandora box 9. Yes. So, I did previous untalking video about the Pandora box 9. That was basically just an upgraded number 5 with a new color layout, new logo and some more games. But it's not mostly, let's say mostly they are releasing one new version once a year or once or 2 years. But it's now a couple of months and they are releasing a new version again. So the first one I've noticed here is the Pandora box 9D. 2222 games in one. So looking at this, I was thinking, what the heck is going on, people? What the heck is going on? So here, they are going to say it, the Pandora box 9 has 20 games built in, no need to download, so, ooh, naughty. Naughty, naughty, naughty. They are all running on the quad-core CPUs with a Mali 400 MP. That's more like an old board. If you look at the key, they are running on octa-cores. But in this video, and this is the reason I'm going to focus on the Pandora box 9. Because we're having here the 9D, right? Okay, there's nothing. So if you take a close look at the 9S Plus, yes, there is a 9S Plus. So if you look at the layout itself, it's more like the Pandora box 5, 6, etc, etc. But I was thinking, what's so special about it? This is the layout of the Pandora key main boards, because the Pandora box 6 has this extra USB port, so it's not on the base of the main PCB board of a Pandora box 6 from the official store for Pandora box. So looking at this, yeah, we have a Game Pass. There's nothing special that all of these boxes have. They still didn't fix the high score problem. There's also a big problem of these things. So maybe what I'm guessing, if it's possible, maybe you can now add more games like, we'll not say arcade PlayStation, we can already add those on the Pandora box 6. But across this one, this is the Pandora's 3D Key Max. I don't know what to think of, because I just wanted to point out that he removed his pictures. But before I wanted to make this video, it had exactly the same layout like this one, only having here another decal. And you can add games like the Key 7, like Sega, Mame, etc, etc. So I will try to grab my hands on some main boards, check out what are the differences. But then overall, from this point, what I am guessing, they keep adding new games or double games most of the time, but there will be no extra features like a high score saving, or for example, this is a very good example, saving your PlayStation 1 games, because no, we cannot save. So yeah, it's a really big messed up situation here. All the Pandora boxes, they are releasing more and more versions. It's very hard to keep track of them, and so yeah, let me know what you think of this. I really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell, because you'll get notified for upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye bye.